And it's a one a man can eat at all. When things are big that should be small. Who can tell what magic spells we've been doing for us?
Hey there, I'm Niall O'Riordan, and today we're going to jump back to 1996 to Jamiroquai's biggest hit, With a Twist. We're going to do a fingerstyle version of it. So you can play it on your own on guitar, and if you can manage to sing this and play it at the same time, well done. Alright, let's get into virtual insanity.
Very nice.
Now follow the tabs below for the exact fingering, but the main thing you need to know is with this particular song in fingerstyle, it's quite simple, but it ain't easy. Your thumb is on bass duties, and these three fingers are operating these three strings. So as I say, watch the tabs. The first chord is in E flat minor 7. You pluck it like that. Second chord is in A flat 7. Then you got a D flat 13. Sounds complicated, it really isn't. So it's like this. G flat major 7. Now I'm getting that by hooking my thumb over on the second fret on the bass E string and make this little B flat minor triad here with these three fingers. And that makes G flat major 7. Then you got a C minor 7 flat 5 or a C half diminished like this. So that's like a D minor shape but up one fret, and you need a third fret on the A string for the bass note. Then keeping that chord pretty much there, but taking off your middle finger, you bar the second fret for a B major 7. And the last chord in this sequence is a B flat augmented. That looks like this. Then you got this simple little bass run on the A string. That's 4, 5, like this. And you're back to E flat minor 7. So that stretch goes. Now in the first verse, some of the time, it ends on an E flat minor 7, and then the next line starts on another E flat minor 7. I think it's every second line in the first verse. It doesn't seem to happen at all in the second verse. But all it means is you're repeating the E flat minor 7. So the whole verse is that sequence, as I say, sometimes with a double E flat minor 7. And the last time you go around it, you end on the B flat augmented. And then you're into the chorus. So the chorus, I've tried to include some of those little brass parts in the chorus. So with the B major 7, I'm doing like this. And with the B flat 7 as well. So. Then you got an E flat minor down here. A G flat major 7. B over A flat. And a B flat 7, which is a bit of a stretch. Now you could do a simpler version, but this is the way that it's voiced with the brass parts. So around that chorus goes. The chorus is just that sequence repeated over and over. So that's the verse and the chorus. The bridge is a different melody but uses the same chords as the chorus. The only other thing left in the song is the beautiful outro. So that's a B major 7, a D diminished, E flat minor 7, F minor 7 flat 5, like this, nice and easy, G flat sus 4, the G flat, B major 7, but up here. Then keeping that triad there, you just move your thumb up to C for a C minor 7 flat 5. Back to the B major 7. And finish on a B flat augmented. So. And that's how you play Jamiroquai's very funky Virtual Insanity on fingerstyle acoustic. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you get a kick out of learning this tune. Alright, I'm Niall O'Riordan. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch another similar video, have a look up here. My latest video here. Subscribe to the channel here. If there's something you'd like me to do, drop a comment below and I'll try and get back to you. Learn a tune a week and build up your chops.